Hello, my dear learners. In the earlier videos, you have learned how to solve word problems on linear equations. And if you have followed those videos, then by now you should know how to solve the problems. This particular video deals with percent problems and mixture problems. Hi, I am Moshumi and I love maths. I have started this practice and learn maths to create love for mathematics in the hearts of all those who hate maths. Okay, let me introduce you to the format of this video. This is the third video that I am making on word problems based on linear equations. So I am no longer discussing section 1 and the important steps to solve word problems. In this particular video, I'll be solving 10 questions based on percent problems and mixture problems divided into two sections. Section 2 will consist of 6 easy questions. And section 3 will consist of 4 questions which will be little difficult. You will get the entire question paper in the link given in description box. So here we learn maths while practicing the problems. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you think it is helpful and enjoyable, then please do like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Here you see the 6 questions of section 2. You can solve these questions by pausing the video. Once you are back, I will give you the correct answer to these questions and show you the step-by-step solutions to them. You keep a count of the number of correct answers. You should not take more than 25 minutes to solve the questions. Okay, now let us solve the questions. What percent of 50 is 20? Now, percentage, as you know, you have learnt earlier, percentage is equal to part over whole. Now, 20 over 50, let the percent be x and whole is 100. You see, part is 20, whole is 50, and again over here x is the percentage and 100 is the whole. So we can write in the next step 50x is equal to 100 times 20. We have cross multiplied. So x is equal to 100 times 20 over 50. So the answer is 40%. Question number 2. 36 is 25% of what number? So let the number be x. Again, if we take part over whole, we see 36 is the part number, the whole number is x, and it's 25%, so 25 over 100. Now again if we cross multiply, 25x is equal to 25 will go 4 times. So 4 6 are 24, 2 3s are 12. The number is 144. So 36 is 25% of 144. We move on to the next question. Alice bought a pair of shoes on sale for $40.50. The sale price was 45% of the original price. What was the original price of the shoes? So, let the original price be X dollars. Okay, so we find that 45% of original price is equal to 40.50. Now 45% you can write as 45 over 100 times x is equal to 40.50. Again if we cross multiply we are getting 45x is equal to 4050. X is equal to so the original price of the shoes were $90. That's the answer. Next question. Tracy got a 6% raise on her monthly salary. The raise was $300 per month. What was her original salary? So, we find that 6% is the raise. 6% is equal to $300. So what is 100%? Let original salary be $X. So again if we take part over whole, we find that 6 over 100 is equal to 300 over x. If we cross multiply, we get 6x is equal to So the original salary was $5,000. That is the answer. We move on to question number 5. Now question number 5 and 6 are mixture problems. So $175 consists of $5 and $10 bills. The number of $5 bills is 3 times the number of $10 bills. How many $5 bills are there? So let number of $10 bills be equal to X. So $5 bills is equal to 3 times the number of $10 bills, so 3x, and the total amount is $175. So 10x plus 5 times 3x is equal to 175. Dividing both sides by 25, we get x is equal to 7. But the question is how many $5 bills are there? So $5 bills are 3x, which is equal to 3 times 7 is equal to 21. And that is the answer. Moving on to question number 6. Mr. A has few $10 worth stock shares. Mr. B has few $12 worth stock shares. The number of $10 shares is 5 more than twice the number of $12 shares. Total worth of shares is $210. How many shares does each one have? So we find that it's almost same like question number 5, and in the earlier videos I have taught you how to do it with the box. So we write Mr. A over here, Mr. B over here, and $10 shares, $12 shares. Now if this is X, then 10 shares is 5 more than twice the number of 12 shares. So 2x plus 5. This is shares and this is total number. So we can write that 10 times 2x plus 5 plus 12x is equal to 210. Because total worth of shares is $210. So if we now expand the brackets, 20x plus 50 is plus 12x is equal to 210. So 32x plus 50 is equal to 210. Subtracting 50 from both sides, we get dividing both sides by 32, x is equal to 5. So how many shares does each one have? Mr. A has 2x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 shares, and Mr. B has x, so equal to 5 shares, and that is the answer. So now you can check your score. If your score is 4 out of 6, then you can start solving the next section. But if your score is less than 4, then you need to check my previous videos on how to solve linear equations, whose links are given below. After you solve section 3, I will again give you the step-by-step solutions and the correct answers. Okay, coming to section 3. There are 4 questions and you need to solve it by pausing the video. Okay, let's start with the solutions. At a school function, the total value of tickets sold was $1,395. Student tickets sold for $5 each and adult tickets sold for $9 each. The number of adult tickets sold was 5 less than 3 times the number of students tickets sold. How many student tickets and how many adult tickets were sold? So let the student tickets be equal to X number. So here if we write student and here if we write adult, it's X and this is $5, and this is adult tickets sold was 5 less than 3 times the number of student tickets. So 3x minus 5, and this is $9. This is the price and this is the number of tickets. So the equation is 5x plus 9 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 1395. Expanding the brackets, we get 32x. Adding 45 to both sides, we get dividing both sides by 32. X is equal to, we get x is equal to 45. So, number of student tickets is equal to 45 and number of adult tickets is 3 times 45 minus 5 is equal to 345s are 135 minus 5 is equal to 130. So these are the answers. Sum number 8. Pure salt is to be added to 10% salt mix to get 9 kgs of 20% salt mix. How much of each should be used? So, 10% we can write as 10% is equal to 10 over 100 is equal to 0.1. Let pure salt be x kgs. Then 10% salt is 9 minus x kgs. So the equation comes as x plus pure salt, we take it as 1. So 1 times x plus 9 minus x times 0.1 is equal to 0.2 times 9. Since there is total of 9 kg salt, so x plus 0.9 minus 0.1x is equal to 1.8. 0.9x is equal to 1.8 minus 0.9. Dividing, okay, 0.9x is equal to 0.9. Dividing both sides by 0.9, we get x is equal to 1. So, pure salt is 1 kg and %, salt is equal to 8 kg. And that's the answer. Sum number 9. John invested a total of $8,000 last year, partly at 8% and the rest at 9% rate of interest. This year he received $670 as interest. How much did he invest at each rate? Okay, let 8% investment amount be equal to $X. Then 9% investment amount is $8,000 minus X. So the equation comes to 0.08x plus 0.09 8,000 minus x is equal to the interest received, that is $670. So 0.08x plus 720 minus 0.09x is equal to 670. So we get 0.01x negative. Subtracting 720 from both sides, we get dividing both sides by negative 0.01. We get x is equal to 5,000. So 8% investment is $5,000 and 9% investment is 8,000 minus 5,000 is $3,000. So that is the answer. Coming to the last question. How many liters of 10% acid solution should be mixed with 30 liters of a 50% acid solution to get a mixture that is 20% acid? Let 10% acid solution be X liters and 50% acid solution is equal to 30 liters. So total solution is amount of solution is equal to 30 plus x liters. The equation comes to 0.1x plus 0.5 times 30 is equal to 0.2 30 plus x. So 0.1x plus subtracting 0.2x from both sides, we get negative 0.1x plus 15 is equal to 6. Subtracting 15 from both sides, we get 0.1x, negative 0.1x, 6 minus 15. So, negative 0.1x is equal to negative 9. Dividing both sides by negative 0.1, we get x is equal to 90 liters. And that is the answer. Okay, so we finish off over here. I hope these solutions are clear to you. If you have any further questions, you can of course write down in the comment box. See you with another video with a new topic. Thank you for watching the video.